Award for outstanding performance in a leading role male.
So let's have a look at the nominations, please.
आयुष्मान खुराना
14 साल की उम्र में सर पे क्रिकेट का बॉल लग गया था।
फॉर अंधाधुन,
एक नर्व डैमेज हो गई थी। बस सिस्ट अबाउट।
नहीं हम तो सब बनाते हैं।
राजकुमार राव
घाघरा, लहंगा, चूड़ीदार, पटियाला,
फॉर स्त्री,
डिजाइनर पेंटी, नाइट फाल, नाइटी फाल।
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
रणबीर कपूर
दादा पोर्ट से पानी आ रहा है। दादा
फॉर संजू,
हम खिलजियों ने साथ मिलकर एक ख्वाब देखा था।
रणवीर सिंह
अब तक वो मिट्टी ही नहीं बनी जो अलाउद्दीन को दफन कर।
फॉर पद्मावत, विकी कौशल फॉर राजी।
घर वाले भूल जाते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान तुम्हारा वतन है।
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage Mr. Kabir Khan.
The Nexa IFA Award for Performance in a Leading Role Male goes to... Oh, this is a cheesy screenplay that I'm announcing now. It's very difficult to call this person by any other name than what I know him, because he's a chameleon, and when he's doing a film, he's that character. So it goes to Kapil Dev, Ranveer Singh for Padmavat.
छह बॉल में 6 छक्के मारे वो आयुष्मान खुराना। It's an absolute honor to be nominated alongside this wonderful artist. The man of the moment for me, Ayushmann Khurrana. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause.
So gracious, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so proud of you.
Few words exchange here. Every chance now. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away in time.
What a player!
It's blessing enough for me that I actually made it as an actor. It's actually a miracle. A miracle that's made possible by the blessings of my family, my mother, my father, my sister, who, with their love and support, I'm able to live my dream every day. To do what I'm really passionate about doing. Hey, I do what I love to do for a living, and there's nothing greater than that. It's a gift. And I'm grateful for that every single day. And that's enough for me. Just the fact that I'm an actor. So this, recognition like this, is truly overwhelming. I would like to dedicate this award to the team of Padmavat, who worked very hard to try and make something special. Most of all, to Sanjay sir, who shaped and molded me into the actor that I am today. And to all my directors, who've made me into the actor that I am today. My wife is sitting right there in the front row, looking damn proud of me and looking damn fine. I mean, what more could I ask for? और क्या मांगू मैं ऊपर वाले से? I am extremely humbled by all the love I've received over the years, and I hope I'm able to do my best in times to come. Thank you, Mumbai. Thank you, IFA. Good night and good movies.
Big hand for Ranveer Singh, such a superstar, so inspiring. Love you, man.
ना मैं अपना रहा ना किसी और का, ऐसा मेरे खुदा क्यों है? ओ
IFA, celebrating cinema, taking Bollywood to the world.
Namaste, India.
One people, one world.
Good evening, Amsterdam.
Good evening, Dubai.
Good evening, Yorkshire.
Good evening, Bangkok. It's very nice to see you all.
Good evening, Malaysia. Good evening, Madrid. Are you having a great time?
Good evening, New York. How you doing?
The International Indian Film Academy, or IFA, as it's more popularly known, was created to take Bollywood to the world. And our mission was clear: to celebrate and showcase the Indian film industry and honor legends for their accomplishments.
So thank you to the Hindi film industry for teaching me to be the best that I can be.
IFA brings the biggest Indian and international film stars together on the same stage. A platform for mega entertainment.
I love you, India. I love you, people.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I believe in IFA's vision, one people, one world.
I am bowled over tonight by the sheer power of the Indian films across the globe.
And in the 20 years, IFA has exploded into a 3-day festival of non-stop action and entertainment. IFA Rocks is a unique culmination of fashion and music that truly lives up to its name. Celebrity outings and interactions make it an unforgettable experience for fans in the city. Weekend with the Stars is a program that highlights and showcases the destination to create positive profiling and marketing. And then there's the jewel in our crown. The one and only IFA Awards. This star-studded extravaganza is the biggest global media event from India.
This one's for all the millions of women who inspire me every single day.
IFA, witnessed to date by almost 1 billion people, combining live, digital and television audiences. With our vision of building bridges between countries, communities, cultures and businesses to one people, one world. IFA is a catalyst to bring India and host countries closer together. Environmental and charity initiatives help us to do our part and give back to the world. IFA is a catalyst to attract and boost tourism in host destinations, with thousands of people coming to a city, presenting the quality traveler to destinations. Hosting IFA provides immediate short-term economic impact, benefiting the local people and business. IFA creates an educational opportunity for knowledge exchange by recruiting hundreds of local volunteers and interns every year. And IFA is beyond just the live audiences, enjoying the show with a global fan following on its television broadcast, reaching almost 800 million viewers annually. Global media loves IFA, with over 350 international media following us everywhere we go.
Not just an award ceremony. The event is a cross between the Oscars and Cannes, with music workshops, fashion shows and film premieres.
Annually, IFA garners more than $250 million PR valuation, with over 1 billion media impressions. With record-breaking activities online, IFA creates unrivaled media presence and visibility for both sponsors and hosts. Presenting the most powerful form of destination marketing with celebrity advocacy, helps raise the profile of the host destination, especially among global South Asians who form 17% of the world's population. No wonder then, that has emerged as one of the most unique and powerful ways for a destination to market itself.
The number of visitors from India almost doubled compared to the same period last year.
IFA has made an excellent choice to bring this event to Amsterdam.
The whole weekend has been a celebration of the astounding creativity and global reach of Indian cinema.
We welcome you with open arms to see our land, meet our people, and share our story.
Welcome to the greatest city in America. This is Tampa.
Welcome, IFA, on Indian cinema.
It's not surprising that over a 20 years of journey, IFA has become the greatest global Indian media event and is highly anticipated by cities around the world.
We very much enjoyed working with IFA to bring the awards to Ontario. And if it's possible for you to host the IFA Awards, I highly recommend that you seize that wonderful and rare opportunity. It is quite simply magical.
So come and join us on this unique and spectacular journey of a lifetime.
In 2018 में भी कई हीरोइंस ने
For Best Picture.
अंधाधुन
तूने मर्डर देखा? मैं कैसे देख सकता हूँ?
मम्मी प्रेग्नेंट है मेरी।
बधाई हो पद्मावत
तुम्हारा रिश्ता पाकिस्तान में क्यों हुआ?
राजी
सिर्फ हम जानते हैं सर।
संजू
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage Katrina Kaif
and Shamak Dawar.
Good evening, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful time. The Nexa IFA Award for Best Picture goes to Razi.
Yep. Make it to the top, taking off, and knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Good evening, everyone.
I don't ever
to receive this award on behalf of entire Jungly team. A big thank you to Meghna Gulzar, Dharma, Alia Bhatt, and Vicky Kaushal. Thank you, IFA.
Razi is the culmination of some tremendous forces coming together. Meghna Gulzar, thank you for giving us this masterpiece, which will always shine in our hearts. Our partners in crime, Jungly Pictures, Mr. Vineet Jain, Preeti Sahani, for coming to us with such an amazing script. The incredible Alia Bhatt, is there anything that you can't do? Vicky Kaushal, the most amazing cast, the amazing crew, and of course, Karan, thank you for making me a part of this wonderful journey.
Congratulations, sirs. Congratulations, Team Razi. A big hand for the wonderful film. Thank you, Katrina. Thank you, Shamak. Thank you so much.